Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what could easily be the best pet car seat cover on the market. The Fidozen Premium Dog Car Seat Cover Waterproof Hammock. Whether you're taking your dog to the vet, the beach, or on a long road trip, this product promises to be a game changer for pet owners looking to protect their car and provide their furry friend with comfort and security. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. This isn't just another flimsy car seat cover. The Fidozen cover is built from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric with a waterproof TPU coating. That means it stands up to muddy paws, shedding fur, wet dogs, and even the occasional accident. But what sets it apart is its thoughtful design tailored for both dogs and owners. One of the standout features is the breathable mesh window located in the center. This isn't just for looks, it helps with air circulation, especially when your car's AC is running. And for your pup, it provides visual contact with you in the front seat. That simple sightline can significantly reduce anxiety and motion sickness, making your pet calmer and more comfortable throughout the ride. Installation is a breeze. No tools are required. You simply fasten the adjustable straps around your car's headrests, slide in the seat anchors, and you're ready to go. The design is universal, so whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, it should fit without issue. And when it comes time to take it out, you can do so in seconds. The entire cover is machine washable and easily wiped down for minor messes. Now let's talk protection. The Fidozen doesn't just cover the seat, it's designed in a hammock style. That means full coverage from the back of the front seats to the base of the back seats, and even up the sides. Extended side flaps zip up and shield your car doors from scratches and dirt as your dog climbs in and out. On the underside, a PVE non-slip base ensures the cover stays firmly in place, even on sharp turns or bumpy roads. For safety, this cover goes the extra mile. It features built-in seat belt openings, allowing you to secure your dog's harness with the bonus dog seat belt that's included. This means your pet won't go flying if you need to stop suddenly. Combined with the anti-slip bottom and seat anchors, everything is designed to keep your dog secure and still. There's also a storage pocket built right in. You can keep essentials like treats, leashes, poop bags, or a collapsible water bowl within reach. It's a small touch, but it adds convenience and keeps your ride organized. When not being used as a hammock, you can fold it down and use it as a standard bench seat cover or even a cargo liner for the trunk. That multifunctionality makes it a great value, especially for families with active pets who go on outdoor adventures regularly. The Fidozen Premium Dog Car Seat Cover truly feels like it was designed by people who understand the needs of pet owners. It combines durability, safety, comfort, and practicality in one easy-to-use product. If you want to keep your car clean and your dog happy, this might just be the best investment you'll make this year. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.